Kickstand provides free therapy and support for mental health, substance use, and more, tailored to young people aged 11 to 25 across Alberta. Krista Wright is here to share more about the organization and an important fundraiser coming up. Good morning.
Good morning.
Why don't we start off talking about you and your daughter, and I guess what got you to this point and finding out about Kickstand through your journey?
Okay. I am an engineer. I don't have a background in mental health. And when my daughter was about 14, she called me out of the blue and said, "Mom, I need help. I need to talk to somebody." And at the time, I knew nothing. I didn't know where to start, where to go. So I started to explore what we had here in Edmonton. And talked to a number of therapists, doctors, and we really weren't able to find the help that we needed, no path forward, and she continued to decline and spiral downward until we got to a point of crisis, and I knew I had to do something different. So I left home. I brought her to California.
Wow.
We ended up going there. We lived there for 4 months while she got the treatment that she needed. We had a plan forward, and we were able to come back and re-enter our life here in Edmonton. Mm-hmm. And in that time, I thought, okay, so if the help was in Edmonton, then how come I didn't know about it?
Yeah.
And if it isn't there, how can I bring it back? And so now that we're kind of on the other side of things and she's doing much better and we kind of found a path forward, now we're looking at how we can improve a system that was just horrific to go through to try and get the help that she needed.
For sure, and that's where Kickstand comes in. How do you think your journey would have been different knowing about Kickstand and having it where it is now as far as an organization?
Well, the thing that I learned in the journey is timing is everything. You know, if we had gotten her help, the help she needed earlier in the process, I think we definitely would have slowed down. Maybe she still would have had those crashes and those times where she was feeling suicidal and going through self-harm. But, you know, having that single point of contact where there's people that know and they're connected to hundreds of organizations and professionals, support groups, and they know where to direct you. So you can go in a non-institutional environment and go, "This is my problem." And they're like, "Yeah, we're here to help," and offer hope at a very early stage in the process.
Amazing, because hope is, you need that, and you probably felt like you didn't have it at certain points.
Yeah.
It takes money to run Kickstand. You've got a great event coming up, Band Jam. Tell us about Band Jam.
Band Jam is, it's awesome.
Yeah.
So in this whole journey, you know, my employer's been extremely supportive, as well as the partners and the people I've worked with in the industry. And what Band Jam is it's basically our construction industry here in Edmonton with our partners, affiliates, owners coming together to say, look, we support youth mental health, and we want to stand up and do this. So we've got 4 bands coming.
Nice. From
Ellis Dawn, Bird Construction, the Edmonton Construction Association, and Williams Engineering to provide a night of rock and roll. Loca's providing all the food for free. It's going to be fabulous.
Oh, wow, that's amazing.
And yeah, and so we're hoping to have about 800 people come and rock out in support of youth mental health and providing the money for the operational costs of the new West Ed location.
Awesome. And how's your daughter doing now?
She's doing a lot better.
Yeah.
You know, now that she's doing better, she's also looking for ways that she can give back and help support other kids that are struggling and help them find hope.
Well, a big thank you to her and to you, and for keeping that hope alive, and for doing what you're doing with Band Jam. If people want tickets, where can they go?
Bandjam.ca.
Nice and easy.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
For more information about Kickstand, visit mykickstand.ca and bandjam.ca.